Hello children, this is Jasveer Kaur, your social science teacher. Once again here with your history chapter, rise of nationalism, rise of socialism, transformation of socialism from capitalism, or in other words we can call it Russian Revolution. I can see that this chapter would be somewhat easy to understand, as earlier we have discussed in detail the revolution, that is French Revolution. So as I taught you in my previous video, in this revolution we will study about causes. Causes means what is the history, why this revolution was there, how it was processed, and what were the outcome of this revolution. What were the outcomes of this revolution? And as it is clear from the name, it is revolution for socialism that was established by Karl Marx and followed by Lenin, and afterward different groups were there who directly participated in this revolution also. But before we go for this process, why, how, outcomes, why I told you yesterday, social, economic, political reason, privilege system, like King of Russia was Charles Nicholas II at that time, right? Once again, taxes, economy, I told you first 3 pages. Please revise them and you will ultimately know about the causes whatsoever we discussed in our previous video. Today I thought that I should give you some important terms. While teaching I have to use these terms so you may note down dictation of some important terms. First one is socialism. Socialism, I told you, it is an organization of theory that advocates the means of production, distribution, exchange should be owned and regulated in the community as a whole. In a community as a whole. And second term is revolutionary. Okay, first is socialism. Second, revolution, and third word is liberal. These are the revolutionaries who take part in the revolution, willing to respect or accept an opinion and behavior of the different communities beyond his own. I mean to say, respect all the religion and caste and others, and wanted that all should join that revolution. Those are the liberals. Then there are the radicals. These are the people. Liberals wanted change but at slow pace and wanted to include each and every community from there. And radicals, they wanted change at once. They wanted change at once, right? So sometime I also become this one radical. Sometimes मुझे ये लग रहा है कि फटाफट ये सब कुछ हो जाए. But then I realized that it should be somewhat liberal. So being student, you will learn slowly the things, right? So in this way, radicals want change at once. Liberal wanted change but at slow pace. And third type of people are there. They are conservatives. Conservatives, they don't have to do anything with their neither change or nor unchange. There should be or should not be. उनको ये लग रहा है जो होगा सबके लिए होगा, हम क्यों टेंशन ले रहे हैं, हम क्यों टेंशन लें. कई बार उनको लग रहा है चेंज होनी नहीं चाहिए. Whatsoever coming from traditions, that should go on. What is the harm? एज द टाइम पासिस अल्टीमेटली द थिंग्स कीप ऑन चेंजिंग. सब चेंज होगा तो हम भी कर लेंगे, अल्टीमेटली चेंज हो जाएगा. दे डोंट टेक इनिशिएटिव टू टेक द चेंजेस, राइट. तो आई यूजली डिवाइड माई क्लास ऑल्सो इन दिस 3 phases, right. There are some students, they are radicals, right. They even start crying even for 1 line or half mark. मैम ये क्यों हो गया, कैसे हो गया, मेरा यहाँ क्यों कट गया मार्क्स, राइट. सम आर लिबरल्स, उनको लग रहा है हाँ ठीक है मैम ने सही काटा होगा. तो इनको तो रेडिकल्स को तो बार बार बताने के बाद भी इनको डाउट रहता है, पता नहीं मैडम ने क्यों मार्क्स कट लिए, राइट. तो दे वांटेड एट वंस टू ग्रास्प ऑल द थिंग्स, टू टेक ऑल द थिंग्स विद देम. एंड लिबरल समवट स्लो. एंड कंजर्वेटिव्स, देयर आर सम स्टूडेंट्स कंजर्वेटिव्स, मैडम 10 बार बोल रही है, हिंदी में बोल रही है, इंग्लिश में बोल रही है, पंजाबी में बोल रही है, यू हैव टू राइट, यू हैव टू नोट डाउन, यू हैव टू रीड, you have to make notes, correct your spelling, correct your handwriting. उनको ये लग रहा है ठीक है ये दिस इज द ड्यूटी ऑफ मैम बोलने में, बट दे आर अल्टीमेटली एट लॉस. दे आर अल्टीमेटली एट लॉस who are the conservative, those who don't want to change them according to the time, because we know that change is the unchangeable law of nature. If we don't change according to time, circumstances will not favor us. Like I am giving my own example, I am more than 50-year-old, right, approximately 30 to 32 years back I passed my graduation and masters, and at that time scenario was totally different. Now completely changed, and I have to entirely change myself according to the circumstances. If I say that in those days 30 to 35 years back when we were studying, what were the method, how the teacher used to teach, how the students were there, if I accept that type of thing should happen nowadays, no, never. We have to change ourselves according to time, according to circumstances, according to situations, right. So these are the sixth term is aristocracy. That also you have read in your previous book also, previous chapter. French Revolution, aristocrats were there. Then colony. Colony is a country or area under the full or partial political control of another country and occupied settlers from other countries. Like हम कहते colonies should be developed or not. This was the idea of Britishers. Mean to say whatsoever areas were under the Britishers. ठीक है, 8th क्लास में आपने थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ा होगा. कुछ एरिया में ब्रिटिशर्स का कंट्रोल था इंडिया में, कुछ एरिया में नहीं था. तो यहाँ वो रहते थे, उनको अपने अकॉर्डिंग उसको डेवलप करना था. समटाइम उनके मन में ये आइडिया आता था दीज कॉलोनीज शुड बी डेवलप्ड और नॉट. क्यों ये आइडिया आता था? दे वर इन डायलेमा. If we have developed all these colonies like ourselves, these people would be equal to us, then there won't be any difference between Indians and Britishers. If we don't develop, how will we survive here? You know that for their survival they have made 2 capitals for India. In summer it is Shimla and in winter it is Delhi, because they were feeling uncomfortable here in Delhi during summers, right. Now our next is suffragette. 8th term is suffrage. It is universal right to vote. Women have advocated voting rights through this movement. Suffrage movement भी बोलते हैं इसको. Then our 9th term is industrial revolution. Very important. Industrial revolution. This was a big change not only in Britain, also it was started in Britain during 18th century. Initiated by Britain during 18th century, but it shaken the whole world. Industrial revolution means to say there was a revolution in manufacturing of the things. Earlier things were manufactured by hand. Now manufacturing have taken place बाय मशीन्स। तो बाय हैंड जो हम चीज़ें बनाते थे उनको अब रैपिड स्पीड से और लार्ज स्केल से मशीन्स बना रही थी। तो दैट इज इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन। ड्यूरिंग दिस रेवोल्यूशन द इन्वेंशन ऑफ स्पिनिंग जेनी कि जिससे हम कपड़ा बुनते हैं हाथ से, खड्डी वगैरह आपने सुना होगा, उसके जगह पे 100 स्पिंडल्स की एक मशीन इन्वेंट की गई थी दैट कैन वर्क फॉर मोर देन 100 वर्कर्स वन मशीन, ओनली 2 to 3 पर्सन आर रिक्वायर्ड टू डू इट, राइट। ये भी आप 10th में पढ़ोगे इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन के बैड और गुड इम्पैक्ट ऑन एम्प्लॉयमेंट। तो इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन भी हुई थी बेटा उसी टाइम से 18 and 19 सेंचुरी में। तो इसमें जो मशीनरी थे इसने भी हमारी उनकी ये जो रेवोल्यूशन थी उसको मूवमेंट को इफेक्ट किया था। देन देयर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म यस्टरडे ऑल्सो आई टोल्ड यू, सोशलिस्ट एंड कैपिटलिस्ट। To understand socialist, you should know about capitalist, and to understand capitalist, you must know about socialism. And as I told you, this revolution was transformation from capitalist to socialism. It means when property owned by some hands in the country, a person who uses his wealth to invest in trade and industry for the profit according to the principle of capitalism, right? So government also do like that. Whatsoever activity industry set up, give the goals, ambitions to the citizen, that is for their personal interest. That is for their personal interest, not society as a whole, not country as a whole. तो इसीलिए बेटा जब ये कैपिटलिस्ट था कुछ कंट्रीज़ में, रशिया ने भी बाद में इसको चेंज किया, अमेरिका अभी भी कैपिटलिस्ट है, तो डिफरेंट आइडियोलॉजीज वर्क, ठीक है। तो दैट मीन टू से द कंट्रोल ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी इन द हैंड्स ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट एंड गवर्नमेंट सीज। वैसे तो अच्छा सिस्टम भी है, ओके, यू विल स्टडी इट इन फ्यूचर इन फर्दर हायर क्लासेज। सोशलिस्ट अ पर्सन हु एडवोकेट्स प्रैक्टिसेस बेस्ड अपॉन सोशलिज्म। जो भी कैपिटलिस्ट को अडॉप्ट करता है, कैपिटलिज्म को अडॉप्ट करता है, वो कैपिटलिस्ट होता है। जो सोशलिज्म को अडॉप्ट करता है वो सोशलिस्ट होता है। दैट इज द सोशलिस्ट। अवर नेक्स्ट इज लेजिस्लेशन। वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू यू पीपल। दैट इज मीन टू से मेकिंग और फॉर्मेशन ऑफ लॉज। Making and formation of laws. It is a body that legislates, formulate the policies and laws for the citizen. Very, very important. Orthodox. It is a type of thinking. Orthodox is a type of thinking conforming to the tradition or generally accepted rules or beliefs of a religion, philosophy or practice. It is a principle. Orthodox, it is a theory, it is a ideology. Then autonomy. 14 is autonomy. When government is self-centered for his functions, that is autonomy, right or condition of self-government. Then jihadist, very important, their role is also very important. Jihadist, this is one form of Muslim communities. This is one form of Muslim communities who helped in Russian revolution to the middle class, who helped with the reforms, right? These Muslim reformers who helped for the revolution in Russian Empire. So, okay student, this much for today. Note down all these 15 terms and learn also by heart.